ever see a kid who plays with toys. Oh, big boy, big boy, big boy. Oh, big boy, mama. Oh, I want to play with my toys. Cause sister, she wanna play with boys.
What call me, you know? Oh, my friend. Hello?
Daddy.
What going, girl? You know, so I just asleep last night.
Last night, I was down the bath. Look at this thing,
Why make you say that now? What going?
money knock, remember one.
I know, so I told me go look for cutie, you know, cause it passed the other part, you know. Alright then, no sir. Yeah man, my good man. Sometimes I just stay at me yard and breeze out, okay? You know, I work hard, you know.
All the things you want. Take all the things that you want, girl. Now come out tonight. And you never get out tonight, and never get out the last night. Okay?
Alright, if I see so, me I go stay at home tonight too, cause me I go look for cutie again later.
Take your breeze, girl. Take your breeze.
Alright girl, then I have to say 3,000 words. You get what I say? Yeah man, later. Thanks for call.
Today we're going to be listening to a new uprising artist by the name of Curious King and Public Report. The name of the song is Inademadeza, and here we go. Welcome, good morning. welcome, good morning to you all you people in Ready Land. I'm your host, Kimberly. Thanks for tuning in to Paradise Nation. Today we're going to be having a big giveaway courtesy of Richard Brown Films. All you gotta do is answer these two simple questions. There's very easy. The giveaway is gonna be a hotel for 2 days, a pass for 2 days at a hotel. Okay. I'm waiting on my first caller.
Miss Joyce. Miss Joyce.
Yes.
Now no sugar over here.
Yeah, man. Can you get some sugar? Sit here. You know, safe on the road, me want to go. I want to carry black boy to a doctor.
How I do him?
The big boy pushed him down last night and broke his hand.
Big boy again.
Yes, the same big boy.
Hey, good morning, caller. Caller. All right, next caller.
Everything good to eat, good to touch. Then days, yeah. Who you think I go win, I go come dead last. Days.
Alright guys, if you're calling on WhatsApp, please make sure your internet's strong, so you know so the things can run smooth and thing.
Curious King.
I want to take this time to big up my bad hairdresser. You can go check her out on Instagram and show her some love at Tavisha's Beauty Palace. That's Tavisha's Beauty Palace. That's a TAVSHA Beauty Palace. Thank you. Let's go there and show her some love. Hello, caller.
Hello?
Good morning. Who am I speaking with?
Good morning. This is Shanti.
Alright, Shanti. The first question is, when did you think
2025.
That wrong, man.
no.
That girl is nice.
Alright, Shanti. Wrong answer. Thanks for calling.
In a days, yeah. I go get think I go win, I go come dead last. In a days, yeah. Get the youth with thanks, yeah. Them kick it in the mansion. Kill each other, yes, to them damn plan. Stop listening to the wrong song. So much thing.
Good morning, caller. Caller. Hello, good morning.
Hello?
Good morning. Who am I speaking with?
Greg.
Alright, good morning, Greg. The first question is, when did Selassie come to Jamaica? When did Selassie come to Jamaica?
2020.
We backside. That wrong too.
No. Alright, no, the wrong answer. Thanks for calling.
Don't to my daughter that know this them I say.
We're having our second caller. Caller, who am I talking to?
Yeah,
Fire from Negril. Me the pan radio now. Come me turn on my radio. Me the pan radio.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Big up all of my people them. Big up.
Big up my grandma. And big up the auntie. From St. Where's the radio now?
Come never hear the question again. Come here listen to the program. How you go?
Okay, the question is, when did Selassie come to Jamaica?
1966.
You're sure?
Yeah man, it's 1966. I was near the place. My father came and go there back in the days. Yeah, man near there.
So you're sure about your question? You're sure about your answer? Fire.
The answer, did you give my answer a while ago?
1966, right?
Yeah.
The answer is indeed 1966.
Alright. Me know man, me know. Come on a Rasta, you know. What next question?
So, before we determine if the winner that we have one more question to ask.
Yeah.
The next question is, when did you think they said kill Rasta on sight in Jamaica?
1963. Yeah, because Rasta they go through that tribulation for about 3 years before Selassie come and end the whole thing. So in 1963, I think it was a Friday, they call it Bad Friday. That's when that occurred. I see it on the internet. You know what I mean? So I know say right, that right. Check your facts. That?
Yes, congratulations, Mr. Fire. You have won the 2 passes to the hotel. Congratulations. We're going to be having someone call you in a couple minutes to give you further information about your prize. And thank you for calling.
So yeah, so one we can go hotel with how much people we can carry?
The pass is for 2 people for 2 days.
2 days. We can carry you?
You can talk to me after about that day.
Alright, so big up yourself. Yeah man, because I can't big up nobody.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, big up everybody in Jamaica. You know what I mean? I listen to Rasta on the radio.
Big up my mother, big up my sister, my brother, big up all of my friends them. Big up you and everybody at the radio station. You know what I mean? Big up the whole world.
Alright, big up my daughter, she asleep now. You eat plum? You eat plum?
No, Mr. King.
What you eat?
Apples.
Alright, me have apple tree on my property. I go enjoy some sense some apple down at the radio station. Big up yourself. Every morning I listen to you now, mama. Every morning from 6 o'clock I get up on my plum tree.
I want to vibes and I watch everything where I go and I look and I watch. You know what I mean? So more interest in getting off of the farm send over for you. You hear?
Thank you, Mr. King. Thank you. Thank you for calling also.
Alright, Bunny Dung. Big up on yourself at radio station. Big up yourself in a radio land there. Alright, me I come collect my prize. Me I come collect it.
Alright.
Alright.
Have a nice day, Mr. King.
Same to you, darling. You have a lovely voice. I know I can't see your face. You're supposed to have a lovely face too.
I'm going to the apple I want to see your face. Yeah?
Thank you. Thanks for calling.
There's a fire come.
Alright.
Okay, guys, here we have it. We have a winner, Mr. Fire.
Thanks for calling, and I'm looking forward to those apples.
Alright, so.
You know, I'm finding this one card. Let's go and set up that. Try clay tape if we're using. Whenever clay tape if we're using. See that. Alright, now. See that? Find it. Me find it. Me normally. No, man, I got Anya. Make sure you see good in. See.
Tape down yourself to make it look good. You see what I mean? When they make them tape up, some of them do this, some of them, you know.
Money ready, you know. So now, I don't know what you did say.
Alright. So you have to hold your hand.
Tape us. Come on, show. Papi, no, papi. Papi, guys, no, come.
Big boy, wake up man. Oi, wake up. You think me couldn't catch you? You take time and screech in last night. Come over here so to me. You think me couldn't catch you, not true? You think me wouldn't catch you, don't? Mommy, please.
Why do this for mommy?
When I do this for? Get up and fight bell. You think me couldn't catch your boy?
Mommy.
You take time and screechy come in here so.
But mommy, my truck, mommy, and your boy teeth with truck, mommy.
Every time you chat about my truck, everybody in this side area knows I feel your truck. You know, you see you? Your body. Yo, tap it nice. Your body like a yard. You broke your man pick me hand. The amount of sick way you do, you walk and beg. You just walk and beg. Like I say, you don't have nobody. Not because you're dirty pooper.
Mommy.
Boy, don't put any lick for you. Shut up your mouth and me talk to you, here?
Mommy, please, me, I beg you. Me not gonna do it again, mommy.
Big boy.
Mommy, please, mommy, please, man, beg you.
The amount of please where you beg, I'm sorry for you. Big boy, I can't take it no more. Me lick you go, me lick you come. Every God Almighty day you do the same thing. Me don't know what else left to do. Big boy, you see where Lexi there? Tap in eyes, manners. You see how wicked me lick you? You dey come bad like me lick you. Bad pitney. When they know they do something wrong, they start bad before they get the lick. Mind me you in here today. You want me say? Mind me you in here today. See your sister there? In gone a cops. And if you go and work, if you go a cops, you go reach there. Big boy, me no want send you a cops like how Lexi work herself to cops. You better start behave yourself.
But now I'm gonna do it again, mommy.
You don't understand what I say? You're not going to do it again. Every day you're not going to do it again. And you end up do worse and worse. Me tired of people come to me. When you going to start behave yourself, big boy?
Mommy, I'm not going to do it again, mommy.
You know what?
Please, mommy, please just don't let me, mommy. Please.
Get up. They give you the last chance. Get up. Sit down, turn around. Sit down properly on the bed. Big boy, you are my only son. You understand?
Yes,
I'm going to talk to you as a mother. Big boy, at the last chance me they give you. The last chance. Because if, big boy, it look like you want police lock me up. It look like lick no have nothing to do with it. You not tired of get lick?
Yes.
You not tired of get lick? Look on you can't trick me. Me they call you, me they beard. I know you can't done beard. And you don't take time and squeech in. You don't know someone that catch you? Me have to catch you.
Mommy, I'm my truck, mommy, and boy thief me truck, mommy, if you never
If you chat one more time about that truck there, I give you where they look for. Because the work feed hard. And me will give it to you. You understand? Big boy, you need to start behave yourself.
Yes, mommy.
Start behave yourself. The time you the ramp and run up and down and all over the place with dirty chucky
Mommy, I'm tell you something, Mommy. One time, Chucky did fling off 5 people in house over there, so, and it broke it chuck, it glass, Mommy.
You really love chat about Chuck. Yeah, you fling off and Chuck and break it Chuck. Listen to me. So you not fling no stone over people in my yard?
No, Mommy.
You're sure because you lie, God Almighty, me no know make you lie, so.
No, tell her
You make sure say no make nobody make no complaint to me say you fling and break out the window, you know. Or whatever, door, glass, whatever, me no care what one pop over there. As long as you not fling over there, that good with you.
Mommy,
what?
I Chuck it do it, Mommy.
I Chuck it do it, Mommy. You better start there yourself. Me they give you one last chance. Big boy, you know say I'm my only son and I love you. The lick them when you make me give you, me no want to give them about your work feet, so me have to put your hand on you. You need to, big boy, you need to calm down. You're the big hug up. But you see, if me talk to you so nice, and as me turn me back, you start your foolishness again, me no sorry, I'm sorry for you this time. So, you get way this time. Tidy up your place.
Mommy, I look about some feet, Mommy.
Every day you want to sit in feet. As you wait before you even brush your dirty mouth. Get up and spread up your bed. And tidy up your place. Look where you fling down your big old dirty boot. Man, look at you. You see that big old dirty boot where you wear not even washing? Tap from wearing. See how I need that slippers there. You can't put your hand. Me tired to see that man. Put your hand. Put on your boot. Wait. Turn around. Wait. Turn on. Big boy, you how much you roll? You don't know say you're 10? Jesus Christ. And you're bad so. You see how me send you to school and you not take your book up and down with Chucky all about? Look on your foot. As some people put on shoes. Jesus. Take it off and put on your right way. Big and fool now one bad like a yours. Look here, me in a make good mood today.
Oh, Mommy, me don't like them, Mommy.
Listen to me. Me in a make good mood today. Don't spoil my morning. You understand me? Tidy up the place. And when you don't go brush your dirty mouth, me notice that as you wake every morning you want to sit in front of your man and remember say your dirty mouth to brush and your face to wash. Clean up the place. Give me a minute.
We carry black boy go doctor. So 150,000 say for you set back the alarm with medication.
150,000?
So no how you gonna work out it. Because so that can be probably expensive. And with the COVID and things kinda hard. But if you don't have a light one time, because you can do what you can do.
Me can't believe. I say expensive.
Of course. I mean, myself was surprised, but see the bill here. You suit yourself, see it then.
Alright then. Me don't have no money right now. But me in a one little partner.
Yeah.
Me go check the bank and see what she can do for me. And me go up on him father, go talk to him father. So me will try get one money from him father and plus the partner money. You understand? So me will talk to you about it.
Alright.
Yeah?
Alright then. So
Yeah, man.
you can't keep the bill.
Yeah man, me keep it bill, but sorry about everything.
Yeah man, well.
I'll make sure say you sort out and everything. I'll get the money and give to you. You understand?
Alright then.
Yeah man,
Take
thanks for
care.
your time, yeah?
Yeah man, you too.
Alright.
Come black boy.
Big boy. You know what I say? Are the little boy where your broken hand mother just come to me again? Where you set your face up, you don't know what you do. You broke people them pick me hand.
But mommy, you shouldn't take up my truck, mommy.
And me left in a problem. Me alone. Me not have nobody else help uno with what me have. The little bit of me same thing. If me have $1, $2, $3, I feel support you. A little bit what me have, me figure take it give people sake of you. So the problem where you put me in, you know, cause you know in no trouble, you know. I do broke people them pick me hand. And me, I figure find how much money. You know how much money you man just tell me say me I figure pay? 150,000. Where me forget it from?
Mommy, you can't get it from the bank, mommy. You can't go down to the bank, they have money down there.
Me have bank book? Your own bank? Your own bank and have money in there so you send me go feed.
Me always see people going to the bank.
Don't get me out on my wrong side this morning. The woman just come there, come show me receipt. How much money me have to go pay? From a band, me never see 150,000 yet. Now me figure do I forget it. Eh? So me fi pay for women on you. I'm sick of you because you not hear me. Big boy, you look like a killer want to kill me before time. You want to kill me before time? Okay. You know what me I go do? Pay for one burial spot. Cause that your plan for do. It's like you and the devil at work. A killer want to kill me, me see it. Me I go pay for one burial spot. Me not even know me I go get so much money to go give that the woman there. Right now, me stress out, me not know where to do. Where me I get it from?
Okay, get some cornflakes, mommy.
Cornflakes. You not get nothing for me I'm whole day today. Boy, sit down and look into what you do. Not until you realize what you do and where you put me in right now. But if you can't get cornflakes, you can't work for buy cornflakes, you can't even spell cornflakes. Which let us start cornflakes? Eh? Eh? But look here, God, hold me right hand. God Almighty, me can't take it no more. You want to kill me before time. Look on you too. Look on you. You know, sit down there so as me say it before and look into whatever you done and leave me in a. If you sit down and fret over it. Think about it. Not me and I get finished today. Look.
Chucky! Chucky! Chucky!
Back on.
Mother don't give me no food this morning, you know. I'm hungry from morning, I get up and I'm beat me.
I'm sure my father don't really make nothing this morning, you know. So what you plan to do?
Come we go beg.
Right?
Come we go beg.
Let me get you back. Grandma, you never see you here?
Yo.
This good enough to make in a show. Yeah. Can't buy enough chunk. Yeah. You know I'm more in the yard.
Nobody beat me this morning because the boy keep me up and beat me up. Mommy want come murder me, dog.
If you always dash your beat and tick them.
I don't know, taking me away.
Yeah.
Me belt.
Dash you away. I be on the bed. Your mommy not go on the bed. Mothers nowadays not go on the bed bottom.
Boy, black boy better than make me hold him in a bossy and it's like I'm making mommy come beat me after he teeth me chop. Are you little brother?
Yeah, sir.
Sir, good morning.
We have that lunch money.
Lunch money?
Yeah.
No money to go to school.
Big boy like you not go to school? Big boy like you No man, big boy like you go to school?
No big.
So what you do? I just grow big?
Me a 10.
Me are 10.
So,
My father did 65.
your father is 65 when he have you? So much money in a bag for go to school and
Any amount you can put in
so the bucket that's so big.
When you are big, you have to beg big. Big small, you know, look good.
Oh, yo, no, hey, what is killing up?
Give man them sit my yo.
I see no money in my pocket.
Please, sir, please.
Pocket empty, you know, road boy.
Check your next pocket.
See what?
That you always keep him in the left back pocket.
Pocket empty, man.
No, check the
left back pocket, the back pocket, the left
No money in the pocket empty.
right one that, that's another left one, the right one that.
No money in the
Chucky, come on, you only just bossy.
Anytime I see a park, my mother shut down.
I want them to cash cash out cash sponsor for his money.
Sir. Take a $50, please. Take a $50, please. Nobody buy cash pot.
The panic. Who the panic? Two.
Nobody buy cash pot tomorrow.
328 cash
But boss here.
Barry. We don't forget our bar. We have
Turn on the yard. Eh? I can't turn on the yard. I don't eat foul enough. Turn on the yard. I'm not so blessed in here. As long as you don't, we're not can't watch it, we're not to pick out some more by cheap. Blessed morning. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks life out. Yeah! That's alright. Randy! Randy! What's that? You can't come at it because I can't pass the security. You can't come here, look boy, I'm in a ramp with fall, you know. Come here there. You can't pass the security, that one already. I don't know how no wicked to the poor fall so. How you make the man fall, breathe, do man fall, and also one put you up. Wicked do man. How go on there man
Yeah. Look life easy.
You go on now. You know say them have a little question they are grow on. You know what I mean? Them ask me when did Babylon Systems kill Rasta, right? And that's 1963. And them ask me when did Selassie come to save Rasta from Jamaica persecution, you know what I mean? And that was 1966. So you know the knowledge there, then give me a 2 week to go and relax. So I go to a hotel. But tell them I don't want 2 weeks, I want to take 2 days. Because I can't live in Plum Tree. You know what I mean? So for the 2 days then I want if I could stay up there because I left lay up there asleep. As you wake up, we have a hotel. I spend 2 days and come back. Come ask man if you watch a Plum Tree for 2 days.
You know, so you teach me something like a while. I never know say 1966. But anyway, different from that, the plum tree. I'd really love to come and start out the plum tree for you. But I can't come. You know why? Big boy, you know, in town already. Big boy, you give me pure trouble. Big boy broke the little boy up there for hand. You understand?
Why broke your hand now? Why not broke your hand?
Because one chuck when did have, the little boy find the chuck. And big boy fight him and push him down and broke the little boy hand. Right now, me in a deep problem. Right now, I try to know my youth. Me stress out. The mother carrying son come down here. That a black boy when me tell about, you know, him me attack. Sometimes I don't remember for them name. But you have to understand me sometimes. The little boy come down here, his hand ban up, he broke. Me have to go pay how much money. Right now, me don't have no money. Me have to go left and go up on his father. You understand me? If me the day I would really come and stay there so few man and start out the plum tree.
But when I order, I find somebody to go and run off the plum tree. Because I have to go, no, I need a 2 day relaxation, man. It's a vacation. But I'm sorry about that big boy. I said, Chuck, you're going to look for a night.
Yeah.
But you see, every little thing in the earth have a reaction. If you never dash for a Chuck, maybe somebody couldn't find it. So if you never find, you know what I mean? So every little thing. But it's kind of rough still.
But big boy too torment. Every minute somebody come to me about him. He make me get ignorant and fling away Chuck. Now me fling away the Chuck, pick me find the Chuck and push down him. Me still have to go, yo, me can't manage it.
I can't turn up too long and talk to you because the girl doesn't wake up and I don't want him to bad. I check somebody on the road, some person stay there and go hotel. So after 2 days, they can sit down and chat.
Alright.
Because I can tell you what the problem. The problem is, with big boy a yard, he need a man present to show him how to grow up.
Alright.
Give me job. Give me job.
Me think about it.
Give me job and I come a yard, come work you. And when I work you, you know say I the man of the yard. And if him pass in place.
Are your application you put in?
No, if him pass in place, bust in ass and make you know say man a man and make straighten him up, make him grow like I want to come and behave himself.
Alright, now we talk about that. Here?
Yeah. Try to get the money first.
Alright.
Alright, try to get addition too. No pick me, no man pick me. See? Alright, grandfather. Alright, sir. Oh, black boy, come out there. You can't take it next time.
Oh, yeah, come on.
No, you know, there's somebody push him down and broke here, big boy.
Big boy pushing him over here.
Yeah.
Look for him tomorrow, yeah? Look for him today.
No, but I'll fight big boy. Because big boy bigger than you. Yeah, enough of that still. But more and do. Me I go to hotel go spend 2 days, right? So more you stand security at Plum Tree. See, this way you can pick 1 or 2 plum for yourself with the one hand. You know what I mean? And eat 1 and 2.
With the one hand, look and so, I don't know if that works.
And the left hand, but you can't eat with the left hand, daddy. You don't need nothing else if you can catch another hand there. You not work, you not work so, cause of. Yeah man, see that's good enough man. Don't sell about. So what you do? Just watch the plum tree or enter me land up a piece of money for you when we forward back. Alright?
Yeah.
So you respond to the plum tree. Me I left about the next hour and odd. So you get yourself ready and station right at the plum tree. And set so. Nobody to the plum tree. 2 days. Alright? Land up a piece of money for you. Tell them that you get work. It's good to start work when you're young. So when you're young and start work, when you become a better gentleman.
That's true.
You understand?
Yeah.
So that's your job till I forward back. I go out there go spend on 2 days. Rest off your brain. Alright?
Alright.
Alright. So don't know fight with big boy. I don't think you really want to hurt or push your job. You must more friskier. When I want to push you for you, flick and balance up. You know what I mean? Roll. When I say a word though. Just look at the plum tree. If come on, I'm straight, you know.
Yeah.
If you say look at 1 girl what you like, you can pick her 1 plum. Not 2 enough. You can pick her 1 plum. Right? For a girl that you like. Alright. Do your thing.
Alright.
Yeah man, run and drive, Lucy, bitch. Yeah my boss. Yeah man, come. Yeah man, come man. Yeah man, see driver, come man.
Alright.
Yeah man. Yeah, well the front seat are back anyway. Yeah man. Alright, let's go and come put the ready. Yeah man, one and move. This for me. Lucy. Yeah man, see driver you know. Come around here some moment. Yeah, go on the side right front, we're comfortable. You know me? Go on now. Yeah, I say yes, yeah. Yeah man, ready, not ready, one arm move. Ready to go in the low say. Ready to go. Pinky, come on man. Oh, you have to send Bibi come up a yard and not call me and say nothing to me. What kind of thing that? And you realize you don't want to pick me up there. Oh, you have to do that?
So hold on there. I mean alone bring her here. No fear pick it too.
Me agree say for me and you pick me, but guess what? You can't do that thing, you can't just see her come down a yard. Remember say me not even 2 days a yard, you know. And one day me care 1 and 2 woman come at me yard cause me no really want them to pick me, you know. You understand? So you can't do that next time you send him come. Call me and make me know.
Let me tell you something. Me can't manage baby. And more while me and we this day and I want to do something and can't do nothing at all. So me alone bring her here. You're supposed to can keep her too.
Alright, you know what me I go do? But just keep her for a couple more weeks and then me send her back come.
I hear time to keep her. I don't have how much years now.
You know what? I don't want the passenger then to realize say walk on. But me we call you and me talk. So you can go on. Lucy, ready to go. Run and go.
Hello sir.
Go on and drive. Motorways people. Motorways. You ready? Every time. Alright. Alright.
Good day, Navi.
It's my grandpa. You want to go and what happened to you now?
You know, say, me no want serious problem. Big boy always they put me in a trouble. You know, saying good on the... When, I don't know about them lie too. So right now, I not even know if he say. He broke the little boy hand. Sake of one chuck. Right? The woman carrying pitney go a doctor. And come show me one receipt. 150,000. Me not have 1 cent in my name. But through me in your partner, would I like to ask if you can give me an early job because me need to pay the woman.
God have mercy. But me can't give one draw now. Can't afford to give one draw now, you know. I'm really sorry. Can't give one draw now.
Navi, I beg you, see if you can put somebody behind my turn, I beg you, please give me because I don't want the woman to go on court. I don't tell her say me will take up the full responsibility. When she carry her child go a doctor, me we do the rest when she come. Now she carry the receipt, come give me. So me know me in a little partner. Me ask her, do you can't just tell somebody, talk to somebody who forget job now and make me get it and go give her back her money.
Lord, boy, me really want to help you, you know, me pitney. Me really want to help you. But believe me, it go hard for me to give one draw now. Can't go give one draw now. Me don't know what you're going to do, you know. But me can't give one draw now. Believe me, I don't want a situation with the partner. Ready? Tie up. Can't give one draw now.
Right now,
sorry.
I'm stressed out.
Me sorry.
I know me I'll get it from to go pay a woman for him pick me. And she go come back to me, you know. Because me tell her say as soon as me get it.
Can't go give one draw.
Me would go and check her.
Can't
no,
go
when me
give
I go tell the woman say.
Me can't give one draw now.
Wow.
And me I go in a program. You can't get no draw now. Me sorry, me baby. Me can't give one draw now.
Navi, you see your children stay?
Yeah, I saw you go.
A trouble big boy you put me in every time, you know. I go and give him some lick.
Yes, sir.
Anywhere in the world, he
Yes,
put them
sir.
and their feet.
Yes.
But Navi, me and your friend, and you know, so you could have given me one
You could
hand.
have given, but it's hard, you know. For right, you know it, you.
So you know, collect your hand, then
It tie
you
up.
could have
No,
given me
we're
one
not
hand.
collecting. Not even half, me can't help you.
Boy,
It tie up,
rough.
me baby. It tie up.
Rough,
It
man.
rough.
Alright.
It rough. Alright, me girl.
I mean, win the competition, you know, for your ass, you know. Then say, give this time, send 2 there. Come here, girl, come. Like the first I come out, tell Girl Beach. You ready? Come on. You alright? Yeah. Alright. Sorry. You have money for you? Oi.
Mira, I'm to West here, sorry. So me can't get to a plum them.
No, you can't get no plum today. Not today.
You know, so me and the boss live in a business, so me can't get to.
I'm in a business where you're on fire, but a 2 day, me get you for work. 2 day. So you see that the 2 day there, when fire come back, you and him talk about one for talk about. But if you was a girl who me like, yes, I was young and thing, but you're all foot, you see.
Lily boy, I mean you call all foot. Eh? You pretty such you're young. Me afraid to tell you off. Me's a big woman. You hear man how you talk to me. And that me I tell you. I must see a little pierces them in your mouth to fool you. That me I try to tell you. Don't try disrespect a big woman. Right. Right, but me are all foot.
When you come out, tell if you have money, right? Franchise up there, we know, but where we don't have a room, I guess a room there. Right, there's a room there, there's a There's the first room, right there, so. Right? Alright, so you're good though. Where we going now, tell? Come through. Step over. Alright, then if you do open. Alright. Alright, put on your bag and go on the beach. Put on your bag. What? See a tire. Take a tire. You can't swim?
No.
Huh?
No.
Alright.
What's wrong on it?
Alright, so you want to know?
What's wrong on it?
So later you swim then? Yeah. Alright? Come change up your clothes then, and then we carry down on the beach. Change up your clothes. Come change up your clothes. We're going on the beach, alright? You can't hotel the fussy. You can't hotel the fussy.
You have money?
No.
So you have to come to
Come fling off.
to the fire in there. And I mean, yeah, this place for 2 days. So you see, now the 2 days, come back, come check.
So, you can't be going to my factory?
Not even a bit.
What? I know you own a trade.
Me get. Me, I did done right now for this for 2 days.
So what, fire in there, I must pick one from my factory?
I say not even a bit.
You don't see too much attitude. That black boy. Go.
Must take care, bro, boy. Must take care, run. Alright.
Good morning. May I beg you something, my mother? My mother never look born on breakfast. May I beg you something to eat, sir? Please, sir. To me, I'm a friend.
Yeah. If you be full of it.
My mother no look born on tea for me this morning. I'm hungry, sir. I look I beg you something to eat, sir. Please.
Sometimes I beg you. I say you go, sir.
Come. Stop coming and come, man.
How make you call me so strong?
Well, I tell you. You see them two little boy there, you see, especially your boy, they have no manners. And me last time I warn about them. As a matter of fact, I not warn them. I say, tell you what going on.
So what happened make you come report to me now? What they do?
Me see the boy them on the road, I beg. And them I beg and I beg and I beg. I mean, no, so they no grow so. They not supposed to be on the street or go on so. And I tell the boy them say stop the begging. They might try to disrespect me just by that. And this thing
it have to stop somewhere, somehow. So you have to put a stop into it, Candy. Me respect you as a woman, and I know you want them to grow good, right? So do what you have to do.
Them to grow good. Me want them to grow good, I want my response for. So which part then now?
Out the road, them there. Out the road. Out so. That boy, big boy, and Chucky. I don't know. Hold on for big boy. Because Chucky is a bad influence. And you know that already, so I have to say something more. Do what you have to do.
Alright then. Now go look at me see. There's a leap of warning. We can't take this thing no more.
Mama.
You see my son big boy pass us.
Which one of them are your son?
Big boy.
Two of them, you know.
One name big boy and one name Chucky. You don't know my son?
Oh yeah man, him just pass man. And what you teach him for though?
When me teach him for so?
Yeah.
You will find out. I stuff your fat face. You do not need a yard from morning? Me? Who send you out on the road? You know how much people come and warn me about you see them on the road a beg?
Allah.
Me send you figure beg? No name no more. Give me. Give me. Don't near me. Don't near me. Get up and go your yard. Go your yard. And you come down the yard. Come take a peek. Go on the road with dirty bucket. Go to now walk and beg people. And you don't know how fear poop and fear mama manage you know. Cause it won't no bad like a yours.
Remember, so we are going to beat one and come back.
Grandma! You run? Chucky, where your father there?
No there.
You know there? Well, whether your papa did it or not, tell your papa, say, me want to talk to him when he come. Or if he in your house, you try go call him. Because you're not a frank come take out me pick me out of the yard and they go beg pan road. You no beg too much. Act like you not get nothing for
go there now cook. You will go.
Nah cook, you act like you not get nothing for yam. You too wicked.
We're hungry for morning.
When I know him come out of the yard, come call you, come down on my yard, come call him. You need to stop come down on my yard.
Cook then. And you won't let him
cook. I know that. Go cook game. You little idiot you. Big boy. Come here. Come right there, Saturday. And the last time I warn you, don't left back out of the yard again. You hear what I say?
Yes, mommy.
Because it look like say lick no have nothing to do with you. And if you left out of the yard, you're not going to like what I go do when we come back.
Yes,
one in the house.
Mommy, on your wheel up my skin, mommy.
One in the house, I don't want to hear nothing from you. And you cast the wheeling. You want more? Turn up the... One in the house.
Mommy, I go eat, mommy.
One, you don't forget nothing from them. One in the house, I'm going to tidy up the place. And remember, say me talk to you around this already. Okay. Chucky! I want him. I fight or not fight? Where your father?
You don't want to wash up your plate.
No go so. No go so.
And they just light.
Stop my thing upon me. That's your big on you always abuse me.
Where your father?
As they light, me don't know daddy from last night, me don't see him come in.
Fight through your panel there, I make you fight your little brother.
If you wash it,
go on in the yard and come on fire road.
That's your big on you a texted palm. It's not like you know a big one.
Go on in the yard, that's a bigger one, then stay always beat up your little one. Go on in the yard and stop beat up your little brother. When your father come, you go talk to him about you. And your little brother now no sense to take one son and boss you.
Boss you next time here. Tell me nothing. Tell me nothing here.
Big boy! Big boy! Big boy! Come in! Your mother, God!
My mom said me not to left my yard.
You can't follow your mommy. We'll go on the beach.
On the beach?
Yeah! We'll get plum. You know what now? We'll stop the begging now. Remember when we used to go to school? And the woman sell plum and pepper with salt.
Yeah.
And you have him hold it for money.
Yeah.
That we are going to make now.
Alright, and you know, so restaurant up there?
When there?
You know, up there in Ghana, saying me here, I tell mommy say I got a hotel this morning. And you know, up there so we can go pick some plum off a tree.
This is the best time now.
Come on. Yo, I miss cute thing, you know.
I said go.
Long time I don't get nothing, you know.
You can't go on. You take me fast picture. And where you do here, so black boy?
Hey, little boy, who you talk to?
My property this.
Oh, what am I
Me
going to
get
say?
permission to keep up here. I say enough of finger off. I say enough of finger off of the tree, big boy. You know, here, big boy.
Rasta, pay me for watch the tree. Remember me tell you. So you can't come up here, come pick off and none of it.
A little boy, remember me boss broke your hand. You want me break your next one?
You can't break my hand again, big boy. You can't break my hand again, big boy.
This your big boy. You saying this your big boy?
Chucky, look him.
No,
you think my hand broke?
You lick him.
You think my hand broke?
Yo, come on.
You my hand broke? I'm going here. Tell Rasta.
I'm a bad boy. I love you.
Yeah.
Chucky, man, follow me on. Now me look better a friend and you move to me with the plum.
Me don't care. I tell fire when you come to me.
You think it'll go pay where you get? Yeah. Go.
Wallace.
Big boy.
Your man again.
Big boy, how was this one?
Daddy, you ain't going to tell me move. Don't look on the dead.
So you see me there with some boat.
No one heard about that. No, big boy, you can't tie it up. Can't make it up. Big boy. No, big boy. No panic from panic from.
Big boy, I'm not going to come.
Oh, no, we are can't make that.
You need to get me on bro. Can I see?
Put the gun on him. Put the gun.
Let me start.
Put the gun on him.
Don't move. Boy.
You can't shoot me, Papa. You can't.
Go on first. Go on.
So
Don't look. Come, sit down, Uncle.
So I'm making the deal with me, bro.
Don't look.
And see me, I'm broke.
Don't look. Put the gun on him, Chucky. Put the gun.
Don't
look. What the right to say?
Daddy gun. You can't tell the police that daddy gun.
If you move, you should shoot. If he moves, Chucky, you shoot.
No, shoot him.
Shoot me. Shoot me.
Go on like you come mean.
Plum. Disc. You got to chop me, man.
Tap your hands.
See what you
Think I like how you make my mother beat me because the teeth are chopped because teeth in boy.
I'm sure my sister Ghana cops because Ghana man here when tempo in Ghana for his mother and no son of his mother man in Ghana.
I'm going to tell you for you when you come. So you don't have me under gun fight. Just sit
up in there, you see. Anyhow you move.
See, you're no real gun. You see it? You're a fool. You're standing till you come back from beach.
Alright. Don't fire for me. I will tell you make him beat him up. Make him pop on around too. Me, I go tell fire when he come. Make him pop on around. Watch the joke.
Move, Chucky, move. Mind the glass, mind the people then. Get up, man, not no deal.
Big boy, you know he loves his toys. Big boy, oh, he loves his truck. In times like these, you never see a kid who plays with toys. Oh.